Wow! Oh, tapos? Oh!
NANI?!
Wow! Yo, 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 yo! Oh! So, kamusta ulit mga ka-ading ko? So, ako nga po ulit si Kuya Lawin ninyo, maglalaro ng horror game. Ang lalaroin po natin ngayon ay Case of Animatronics. Yes, start na po natin. Ayaw na mag-start. Ayun. Don't forget to wear headphones. Headphones? Headset nga lang to. Pang malakasan ba? Sheesh. Warning, this game is not recommended for the faint of heart or pregnant woman. That's me. Medyo umuulan nga lang sa labas. Okay na ba?
Looks like you fell asleep. It's almost midnight. What is it? Strange. No one else should be here. I'll go check.
Okay. Flashlight daw mga boss.
Yes, the tablet. Carbon relies too much on this new monitoring system. At this rate, they'll soon use a joystick and a lightsaber.
To pick up the tablet, look and press the action
How much does it
button.
cost?
Press the tablet power button to turn it on.
Okay,
On!
got it.
Power off! Click on the button. Basta yun?
What a comfortable gadget.
Wow.
10 years, these are going to be everywhere. Still, a human is irreplaceable. I'll go ahead and have a look around.
Lubat.
Battery drains out very quickly. Need to save the battery's energy.
Wala. Power off.
Excellent. There's a charger in Ben's office. Hell, what is it? You better approach the fuse box in the control room. According to the
Okay.
evacuation scheme on the wall of my room, the control room is in B7.
B7. Saan yung B7? Ay, no signal. Wala namang B7 dito eh. B7. B7. Oh. Uy, naglag ka, boss. Huwag ka maglalag. Saan ako eh? B7. Okay, so doon tayo mga boss. Lalakarin natin yan hanggang doon sa B7. So, nandito tayo sa B1. So, yes. Ito parang labo. Wait lang, cut! Donut. Uy! Ano naman na ito? Uy, ano ito? Crouch. Crouch. Wala. Wala. Okay, so donut lang yung malakas. Donut! 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 Ay, huwag ka magsarili, boss. Saan tayo? So, yun na nga. Ang galing ko. Ben. Nakalak. Uy, kumakulit. Mabukas. Sheesh. Brother, ano to? Uy. Huh? 2914. Saan yun? 2914. 2914. 2914. Uy, huwag kang naglalag. Ha? Ano? Keycard. Keycard daw mga boss. Lock. Card, key card ulit. So, yun na. Wag kang naglalag. 23. So, yun na nga. Wow! Oh, tapos. Oh!
What a terrible dream. It's midnight already.
Huh?
Time to go home.
Naulit?
Night call. Let's hope nothing serious.
Ay, hindi. Hindi siya naulit, mga boss.
What a psycho. What happened with the lights? Is this some kind of deja vu?
Ay, yeah.
I should go check out the fuse box in the control room.
Kaya na, mamamatay ka na. Ganyan po pagsasalita mo, boss. Control room. Control room daw, mga boss. Control room daw. Control room din. Control room. Control room. Control room. Oh, may mga kumiki. Uy, wag kang makulit. May kumiki ng, uy. I propose to Emma I will remember this day for the rest of my life. The start of the great summer and the launch of mobile animatronics that can even bring pizza to kids. Plus, I added the remote control system for emergency. Just in case something goes wrong, I found some spare parts from a suit from one of the old animatronics. They were a bit rusty but still work, and I even modernized them a bit. Now the most important thing is to protect the children. I have a couple of idea, but I think the authorities will refuse to cooperate. Still, it worth a shot. We also start getting offer from another organization that want access to my animatronic but I declined them. All because I'm under contract. So, yun na nga. So siya nga yung gumawa ng animatronics na ito. June 1987. So, yun. Yeah. So, 99. So, hindi pa lobat yung ating ating tablet, mga boss. So, yun. The victim, DJ Scott, woke up after 2 months in a coma at State University Hospital as a result of the incident that occurred in his house, where a gunman broke in and treated the young family, escaping unapprehended shortly thereafter. The police officer involved in the event underwent hello. Wala po kaming yelo, mga boss. Wala. Kung di nyo narinig, may mga ewan. Uy, wala. So far, so good. Ano ka? No, wala ka naman palang itlog eh. Uy, ang dami shit. So, I met the founder of the new pizza place at its opening while Emma stared at the new animatronics with her mouth wide open. That when I offered my project to him, an opportunity to make animatronics mobile, so they can walk around. He was really into my idea and we on it. Shoot on it. I asked to be give access to all the necessary tools and funds, and also request a letter of recommendation for my university. We even joke. Imagine, a Metronics that can bring pizza to a table. So yun na nga, February 1986. So ito yung parang paumpisa pa lang guys. Di ba naka-guys ako ngayon? So, yun nga. It turned out the restaurant was closed because another place pushed them out. Plus, there was terrible incident. There was a special design, an electronic suit, a man wore, but they say the person inside suddenly started bleeding and screaming. The children were horrified to see how the suit was squished his body. The news say he's still alive, wonder why the suit malfunctions. Like that, now the new place has spent a ton of money on advertising and everyone's talking about it. But their animatronics can walk. At least they made their cool looking. I think it the most noteworthy thing to happen around here in the past 6 months. Hindi ko nakita yung month niya mga boss. Okay. So, yun na po. Ito. Ano naman to? According to the Dr. John Bishop. So ako yun. So yung player natin yon. The police officer tried to visit the hospital warn of the injured Scott. He recently emerged from his coma and he is barely clinging onto his life. Any trauma can cause heart failure or permanent damage to the nervous system. Right now, the most important thing is to establish the victim. He didn't even remember what happened, commented the head doctor of University Hospital. It was later revealed that John Bishop then entered the ward at night and demanded of answer from Scott. According to witness, John was trying to figure it out. What the hell happened the night of the crime? Some Scott refused to answer his question or even speak to the police officer, according to the doctor. When security was forcefully removing the police officer from the hospital, he shouted, I will be back. The hospital is planning to sue and demand the dismissal of said police officer. Police officer. Parang nagigets ko na siya. So, yun na nga po. Okay. Ano naman to? Halloween is tomorrow and I don't have a costume. Maybe I will be hot dog and go around trick or treating. Haha, but still that exhibit haunt me to this day. I can't believe she talked to me. All those people were passing by laughing at my painting and shouting, I was a child. Yeah, I thought it would be better to die right then and there, but then she come over. She started at my painting and said, those are the matronics from the pizza place. I visit when I was a kid. Very cool. That how that hello. So you know what? Uy. Wag kang makulit. So yun na. Hide na naman. So yes. Saan tayo? Nakalak. So okay. Animatronics. Hello. Uy, huwag kang maglalag. Ela. So, ito na. Ay! Uy! Huwag ka kasi naglalag. So, ito na nga yun. 8206. 8206. 8206. 8206. 8206. So, yes. 8206. 8206. Remember, out. Ah! Medyo malakas. Medyo malakas. Medyo malakas. Ata yung ano ko, boss. 8206.
Well, I need to find the electrical panel.
Sarado mo, boss. Sarado mo. Ay, sinarado ko yung sarili ko. Okay. So, yun na nga po. So, yun po.
That's perfect. Now I need to turn on the
Uy.
second fuse box.
Hello? So, yun na nga. Fuse box. Find the second electrical panel. Hello?
Holy shit.
Hello? Yes. Animatronics nga, mga boss. Itlog. No. Woo! Bisa mo! Bisa mo! Woo! Ikaw lang yung kadali, mga boss. Brother. Find the key card in the locker room for the door with the blue indicator. Blue indicator. Find the key card in the locker room for the with blue indicator. Oh shit, I died. Blue. Power off. Pasok ka, boss! Pumasok ka, boss! CCTV. Ano siya? Okay. So, yun na nga po. Find the key. Find the key. Find the key in the locker room for the door with the in blue indicator. Dressing. Ano to? Uy, thank you. Boy. Uy, kumakulit. Saan ba yan? Saan ba yan? Yan. Okay.
お前はもう死んでいる。何
Wow! Yo, 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 yo! Oh! Ala, paglakad ka, boss! Oh, ano to?
Looks like it is the key card to the door.
Ang ingay mo, mamamatay ka na! What is this? Ano ba? Sorry. Kinakabahan ako eh. Card. Oh, di ba? Sabi ko na. Kablang-blang. Bilisan mo, boy. Ano ba yan? Ganyan! Boss, ganyan! Hindi naman nakatawa kita. Uy, kaki. Uy! Wait lang. Bago ko natin mabuksan yan. Gusto ko munang buksan to. Blah. Mamamatay na ako. Kakabasa yan. Save natin. Boom!
Now it seems the whole building is lit.
What a successful. Oh, dalawa na sila.
Sick bastard! A giant cat! What else can you think of? I should avoid the ventilation tubes.
Oh,
The tablet battery is empty. Remember, there was a charger in Ben's room.
okay. So, pwede na lahat, mga boss. So, yun na. Anyway, nandito siya. Nasa malayo siya. Ano gagawin ko? Uy! Power off. Kunin mo, boss. Kunin mo. Ayaw makuha. Bakit ba ako umupo dito? Ano gagawin ko? Uy, nasan ako? Patay na ba ako? Ay, hindi. Oh, baliw yan. Doon ka na. Wala kang itlog. Oh. Oh, shit. I'm dead. Tago! Uy! Ben's office. Oh, Ben's office.
Lock is broken. The pick locks from the evidence storage could solve the problem. I think I'm starting to understand where these giant toys came from. They were evidence from one of the cases. That explains a lot.
Hello? Evidence room. Uy, kumakulit. Uy, gago ano yun? Flashlight. Yung flashlight. Ayaw. Yung flashlight kasi. Mukha kang puwet. Hello? Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa mga kumikin. Uy, nasa ka na? Uy. Bahala ka dyan. Mukhang ito. Uy. In Aurora, Colorado, according to witness at 1 a.m. at an unidentified gunman entered the house and began to treating the family. Neighbors and passerby called the police, complaining of lots of noise from the house. A police officer arrived at the sense to what turned out to be his first call. During the struggle, one woman died and a man was wounded. The owner of the house is currently hospitalized in a coma. The offender managed to escape and the police officer did not sustain any injuries. He is currently undergoing physio- phy- physiological evaluation. The police refused to comment on the case. So, tayo ba yung police? Okay. Ay, hindi. Tayo yung doktor. Tayo yung doktor, mga boss.
Bingo. Let's try to open the door.
Police, Din gets. Tayo ba yung police o tayo yung ano? Uy, kumakulit. Okay. So, yes. I died. Hindi na tayo.
That's just great.
So, yes. Nakasave naman na. So, dito muna natin tatapusin, guys, yung video ito. So, yes. Kung nagustuhan itong video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next episode. Bye!